Berries, it's Heyyy Berries here, and as you can see, we about to do some nails. I mean, y'all, like, Sherry, I thought she was doing like your natural nail. I thought she was teaching us how to keep our natural nails, you know, long and maintain our length. I don't know what's been going on, but my nails have been breaking off. Like, these are my nails currently, and they not that cute. Granted, I have not been taking care of it as much as I should. First of all, happy Black History Month, gang. So I found this black owned business that make press on nails. It's called Crowned and Polished. Right there. And I saw some really nice nails on there. And I was like, oh snap. So of course I saw it on social media like I always do. I had a little problem with the shipping. Let's get into it real quick. So I ordered it like January 2nd-ish. It's like UPS was tripping. It was like my address wasn't right. They said they're gonna send it back to the company, Crowned and Polished, but then I contacted them and it was like they actually didn't send it back. It's still in Chicago. So I ended up getting it like the week of the 25th of January, so it was a nice little delay, but all in all, they had great communication. They made sure I was satisfied with everything. Like I said again, great communication. They wasn't snobby or snooty about anything. They always answered sufficiently. It was like communicating through email. So great communication there despite the delay. Whatever the issue was, the communication was great and I felt okay spending my money there. Only press-on nails I got was from the beauty supply store or from Walgreens. So this is my first time ordering like actual nails. I have a few tools that they sent along with these so I can be able to do it. They gave me everything I needed. So they gave me alcohol little thing. They gave me this. I believe these are in adhesive. They gave me a nail file, a buffer with a little stick here, and they gave me the directions. Very helpful. Everything I need, like I said. So let's get into it. This is only like a two-part thing. I'm gonna show you how I put it on, you know, give you all the details about the company and, you know, blah. And then I'm gonna also have a video on how long they stay. You know, like I'm about to do my everyday tasks. Today I gotta do some laundry, I gotta do some other stuff. So the part 2 video will be me just doing my everyday activities and seeing how long or how efficient these nails are. I'm gonna just open them up, you know what I'm saying? So I just took it out like this. Now I'm guessing it's like this pinky ring middle like that. So I want to size it up before, you know, actually put it on my finger because I don't want none spilling on. Why am I talking? It's making all this noise. I don't want nothing spilling out on the side of my finger. I don't like my press-on nails and they don't like it fit. Like that just be so annoying to me. Like, why your press-ons don't fit? Like, why didn't you fit your press-on nails before putting it on now? Here we go. So I'm gonna try on these pinkies first. This is how it looks, that first one. Just a regular cute old nail. Oh, this one fits really nice. This one fits so well. Y'all see it? That fits really good. So I can't lose them, so I only got 10. They also actually put in your size. I didn't really know my size. I think I put like a medium because I didn't want it to be too small and I have space on the side and I don't want that either. But let's get the instructions. After cleaning and drying your hands, already done. Use the include and cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. This it right here. So I'm gonna use this side here and I'm gonna push back my cuticles. So let's do that now. Oh my God, I keep trying to lose this. So they're pushed back. Guess this how it's supposed to be looking. Push back cuticles. Now let's say buff your natural nails to create a surface easier for the press-ons to adhere. I think it's this side. And this is how it looks all buffed out. think it's pretty smooth. And now step 3 is say dehydrate your natural nails using the alcohol prep pad to remove any oil. And they give me this, of course. I love how they just give you everything you need. You ain't gotta go find anything. So I'm just gonna wipe my fingernails down. You're looking real clean. Yeah. Yeah. And step 4, use the glue or stick tabs. Apply the nail pressing down firmly for 15 to 20 seconds. I'm gonna use the glue. Where is that glue? Oh, I'm about to say I can't find my glue. So first, I'm gonna just measure it up and then see if I need to do any shaving. If I do, they gave me a nail file. Oh, that's cute. Look at this nail. Oh, that is cute. Excuse me. That is really cute. And when I applied it, like I pushed it on and I kind of scooted back in my cuticle. So I like pressed it in and then scooted back, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show you again just in case it didn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna do the same thing, just measure it, making sure it's good. I have a little peekaboo on the side of my real nail. But I don't think it's too bad. I think I'm gonna file my nail because these nails are going up like this. So I wanna make sure that my nails are not like square, just to kind of shape it like the press-ons. So I'm gonna just take that squareness off on the side. So the pointer finger is pretty big. It's kind of swallowing my actual nail. It just makes it look super fat. So I'm gonna just file it on the side and just file a little and then resize it because I don't want to shave too much off, and then now I got like peekaboo on the side of my real nail. So I'm just gonna do both sides, just shaving it on the sides. On both sides. It's still pretty fat. So I'm gonna keep doing it. That's so much better. I'm covering the whole nail with glue. That's just gonna make it stay even longer. And if you know nail glue, you know nail glue. Nail glue dries in seconds. So once you put it on there, make sure it's kind of placed correctly. If not, if you see some errors, immediately just try to take it off. So the first hand is done. I think they look cute. I think it looks really good. Let me do the second hand. It's a little more difficult because I do have to press on nails. But I'm also going to show you guys kind of how I buff around it. Try to make it just a little more natural without messing up the nail. Wish me luck. Let me get So my nails are all done. I think these are some great quality nails. They don't feel cheap. I know when I was shaving it, like some of the color kind of came off, but I don't find that as being like a cheaply made nail. I think it's perfectly fine for that to come off. I'm glad that I picked this size because this size really fit my finger, despite like a few that I had to shave down. It wasn't too much shaving, and even if I didn't shave, it wasn't gonna look that bad. But I want to try to make it look as natural as possible, but I think I did okay. Like, I don't feel like they're about to pop off. They feel nice and sturdy. I did use a nice amount of glue. I finally just got my nails done. Like, I feel like I just came out the shop. The real test is, how long does these nails last? Can I do my everyday tasks without really worrying about it popping off? So that's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be like a next video. Probably be like 4 or 5 days apart. I hope y'all don't mind that. But just stay tuned. If y'all the berry, just wait on me. Wait on me. I think that is it. If y'all want to check out these nails, definitely do. I think it's a good price for all the, you know, tools you get and the nails. Good pricing. They Black owned. And there are some really nice designs. Like I said, it's not cheaply made. So check it out, check it out. If you want to, follow me on social media or Instagram, because I will be posting pictures of my nails. And I'll be funny on Instagram, like on my stories. I'll be cracking up a lot of people. So if y'all like, you know, memes and stuff like that, definitely follow me to get a nice hee throughout the day. If y'all want to, y'all want to. If y'all don't, my link is, you know, at the bottom in the description box. At the bottom, it's gonna say connect with me. Connect with me on social media. And so I have all my social medias, but you know, anyway. But that is it for this one. Stay tuned for the next one. If you did make it to the end of this video, you are the chillest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video about these nails again. Peace.